Welcome back to Product Zone. Today we got the Amazon right here. Is the basic travel chair, portable chair, holds up to 225 pound, best budget. It's about 36 inch in height. Come in this nice little carry bag right here. Gonna open it up and show you got a nice drawstring. It got pretty good decent review on Amazon, and I'm gonna tell you something. Amazon Basic, they make some of the best quality with a low cost budget because it's Amazon. Why not, right? This is it right here. Got a nice blue one. This is the bad boy right here. Beautiful bright color, and then right here we got like a mesh for airproof or water or rain or whatever happening. You got a nice cup holder here. You could put your coffee cup and stuff here, and over here is very interesting and nice because you got storage pocket right here. You got two zipper that end up right in here, and it's a pretty good size, so you can store a phone, you could put your wallet or snacks or anything inside of that, which is pretty cool. But it doesn't stop there. Right here too, look at this. You could also store stuff over here, and it's nice, it's good, it's a really good quality overall here, and it's not cheesy. You see, like some of them would make cheesy. That's pretty cool. So far, this is it right here. We do a lot of outdoor activity, camping, hiking. We do soccer game. The kids do a lot of stuff, so we always need chair, but they could be very expensive. So this one right here, best budget, decent chair. It's not like the world's biggest chair, but it's a good size. I'm 6 feet, 200 pounds, and this is very comfortable. For always price and details, my piggyback there running. He has his jacket on too. For price and details, always check in the description box below. It always take you to Amazon. And so far, thumbs up for this chair. Really good chair. I'm telling you something, for the price, you cannot go wrong. Chairs can get very expensive. You finish with the chair, put it away. Do not leave it out for rain, sun, and then snow and all that. It will damage your chair. You have to take care of your product. It will last a long time. If you take care of it, it's going to last a long time, and you're going to save money. All right, thank you so much for watching Product Zone. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming videos.